Tezos value expectation is one of the most famous pursuit terms since XTZ unleashed ruin among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we jump into the stray pieces of this Tezos cost forecast, we should rapidly check what's genuinely going on with XTZ. Tezos introduction. Tezos is a novel blockchain, another Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014 with additional particulars declared in a white paper delivered in Sept. 2014. The Tezos blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015, the originators, Kathleen and Arthur Breitman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Record Arrangements, which was liable for composing the underlying code for Tezos. At the center of this codebase is a self-correcting convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and carrying out changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of Tezos tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for each token. Tezos blockchain utilizes a changed variant of a designated verification of stake framework where stakers, called bread cooks inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In Tezos' more fluid DPoS framework, clients can delegate tokens to pastry specialists without moving possession. Prizes for approving blocks are dispersed to dough punchers as new XTZ tokens, with a relative measure of the award disseminated to wallets that have designated tokens to the bread cook. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval process on the off chance that they hold not exactly the necessary add-up to turn into a full dough puncher. Our XTZ token value expectation for 2022. It is very evident that digital money value expectations ought to be accepted tentatively. Yet there are variables to pay special attention to that will more than likely have an orientation on the future cost of the more extensive digital currency market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in overwhelming digital currency markets, the level of cryptographic money reception in the approaching year, and past the level of development in the digital money prospects market, utility of tokens, and the capacity of the basic innovation to tackle true issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-10-14. Plus 7.52% $1 532022 1015. Plus 2.90% $1 462022 1016. Plus 6.24% $1 512022 1017. Plus 6.12% $1 512022 1018. Plus 4.61% $1 492022 1019. Plus 3.11% $1 462022 1020. 2.48% $1 382022 1021. Plus 5.67% $1.50 Tezos cost expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NA 3.84% $1.37 2022 DEC 8.73% $1.30 2023 Jan plus 8.18% $1.54 2023 Feb plus 9.94% $1.56 2023 blemish, plus 18.42% $1.68 2023 APRA, plus 18.67% $1.68 2023 May, plus 31.47% $1.87 2023 June, plus 37.98% $1.96 2023 Joel, plus 32.66% $1.88 2023 Aug, plus 37.37% $1.95 2023 Sep, plus 57.32% $2.23 2023 Ah, plus 54.50% $2.19 XTZ value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees XTZ coming to $14.91 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $3.36. Tezos value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Tezos will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Tezos coming to $37.26 in 2030. What Tezos will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Tezos coming to $74.53 in 2040. Will Tezos supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Tezos won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Tezos at any point reach $10? Indeed, Tezos could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is Tezos worth purchasing? We are supporters of reasonably dangerous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with enormous potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Tezos merits purchasing. Is Tezos a wise venture? Tezos is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Tezos be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $1.24. In the long haul, it could leap to $37.26 or much higher. For what reason will Tezos succeed and become more expensive? Tezos has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Tezos ascending to $37.26 in 2030. For what reason will Tezos come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of very much planned promoting system. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Might Tezos at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable that Tezos can reach $100 yet just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will Tezos go? Our estimate